Hello, today we are working on page 43. There's a problem about magnets on page 43. So you should have tried this problem already. So let's first read it together and talk about what they want us to do. So it says Diana has 109 magnets. Roger has 56 more magnets than Diana. How many magnets do Diana and Roger have in all? Show your work. So we know it's about magnets, and we know we want to figure out how many magnets in all, because the question says, how many magnets do Diana and Roger have in all? So we're going to add, since it says in all, and it says Diana has 109 and Roger has 56 more. So let's think about that. So we know for sure the total amount of magnets Diana has. But Roger, we don't know the total amount of magnets. We know he has 56 more than Diana. So how could we figure out how many Roger has? Well, because it's 56 more than Diana, we can add 109 plus 56. We can do that a couple of ways. So we could add 100 plus 0 tens plus 9 ones. 50 plus 6 ones. So we have our hundreds, our tens, and our ones lined up. This would be 15, this would be 50, and this would be 100. If we look at our ones first, we have 5 ones here, 0 ones here, 0 ones here. So that's 5 ones. We have 1 10, 5 tens, and 0 tens. That's 6 tens, and then we have 100. So it looks like 165, but I'm going to double check that by doing the regrouping way. So 9 plus 6 is 15. I'm going to regroup my 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So I did it 2 different ways, and I got 165. So that isn't the answer to our question, because it says, how many magnets do Diana and Roger have in all? We now know that Roger has 165 magnets, but that's not what they have in all. Now we need to put these numbers together to figure out what they have in all. So to put those numbers together, let's this time try adding them the break apart way, but going down. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 0 plus 60 is 60. 100 plus 100 is 200. When we do the break apart method going downwards, we want to make sure that we are doing 60 for our tens and the hundreds for the hundreds, then add it up. So it looks like altogether they have 274. So let me erase this and I'll double check it the regrouping way. So if I have 109 plus 165, that's 274, which is what I got when I did the first one. So you want to just add them a couple ways to double check your answer. If you happen to get a different answer, then you're going to want to go through and see what mistake you made or try it a third way. This problem was kind of tricky because it was a multiple step problem. So first of all, we had to figure out how much Roger had, because it doesn't tell us what Roger has. It just said he had 56 more. Once we figured that out, then we took what he had and added it to what Diana had. And so our final answer is 274. Okay, let's go on to another problem. So our next problem says find the sum of 345 and 626. Well, this one's not tricky like the other one. It's just a multiple step problem. So there's a few different ways we could do it. We could draw, let me get my writing tool up here. We could draw 300, 40, 5, and we could draw 600 and 26. Then we would start at our ones and we'd regroup this. We have 10 ones, so that makes another 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. So we can't regroup those, and then we have 900. So we have 1 1, 7 tens, 900. We want to recheck our answers, so I'm going to write 345 plus 626. It's 11, regroup the 1, 7, 9, 71. So remember, when you regroup, you always go over to the next one and put your mark there. Okay, there's a couple of the problems on page 43 and then one of them on page 44. So you're going to go ahead and do the rest of the pages in this chapter. You'll finish page 44, you'll do page 45 and 46, and then leave it in your book, and when you come back to school, I will check it. Good luck on addition with regrouping.